Most people get health insurance wrong by focusing only on price, but Fidelis Care offers coverage and perks that make a big difference when you actually need care. Fidelis Care provides Medicaid, Child Health Plus, and other individual or family plans. One of the standout features is comprehensive preventive care coverage, including annual checkups, vaccinations, and screenings at no extra cost. Most people underestimate the value of preventive care until medical bills pile up. Network coverage is strong in New York, with access to a wide range of doctors and hospitals. Their provider directory makes it easy to find specialists and primary care physicians. The insurance also includes telehealth options, which is convenient for minor issues or consultations without leaving home. Prescription coverage is another benefit. Fidelis Care covers many generic and brand name medications, often at low copays. For families or individuals on regular prescriptions, this adds significant savings. A drawback is that some plans are region-specific, and out-of-network care can be expensive. Carefully reviewing network details before enrolling is essential to avoid surprises. In conclusion, Fidelis Care is a reliable health insurance provider offering strong preventive coverage, telehealth options, and prescription benefits. The key is choosing the right plan for your needs and understanding the network restrictions. Subscribe for more health insurance reviews and tips to make sure you are covered without overpaying.